Hello everyone, it's BJP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Windows File Explorer like file or folder path in the Finder of Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Finder application. So by default we don't have any file or folder path even if we open our respective file or folder. So you can see there is no any file or folder path showing up. So in order to get a Windows File Explorer like file or folder path, what you need to do is on the laptop you can see here view option, just click on it. Now you can see here so path bar. So by default this option is not enabled, so you need to enable it by yourself. So now you can see below the folder path is showing up right now, as you can see. So let me open some folder. So you can see here the folder path is showing up here at the bottom, so you can clearly see. So if you want to hide it again, just move back to the same option and just click on this hide path bar. Then this file or folder path will get hidden. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get Windows File Explorer like file or folder path in the Finder of Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, just click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.